Hey guys, Rob from Top Affiliate Marketing Program here. And today I'd like to talk to you about 7 of the top affiliate programs for beginners and best ways that you can earn income online. So let's get right into it. If you've ever played a game of Monopoly, you take chances, make decisions, sometimes it's the roll of the dice. And that's the way it can seem when you're an affiliate marketer in the beginning. So I want to help you out with the 7 top programs that I think are going to help you get on the right track. So let's get started with number 1 is Amazon, which is no surprise. Biggest company on the planet, run by the richest man in the world. And their commission rate is 1 to 10%, which varies for each category. And the cookie duration's 1 day. The rates have come down in Amazon as of late. They could go back up, but Amazon sells so many products that the way to make money here is in quantity. So they offer so many products. So the money is in the numbers here with Amazon. I'm sure everyone's heard of Amazon. Most people do shop on Amazon, like myself. And if you have a Prime membership, you can get fast and free shipping. To me, it's worth it because I get enough things delivered throughout the year that more than would cover the shipping cost if I had to pay for shipping. So that would be my number 1 choice as far as getting approved and getting started with Amazon. If you don't get sales within the first 90 days, they are likely to close your account, which is not a big deal because you can just reapply and you'll get back in it. So it's no big deal. But let's go on to number 2, which is Walmart. Again, second biggest retailer on the planet. Commission rate is anywhere from 1 to 18%, and that depends on the category that you are in. The cookie duration is 3 days, 72 hours. We all know how big Walmart is as far as online shopping and in the stores, and lately with what's going on myself, I shop more online because of the pandemic, but Walmart has just about everything you could possibly be looking for. Maybe not as much as Amazon, and the payout is a little bit better than Amazon is. Next up is Target. Their rates, the commission rates, is anywhere from 3 to 8%, and that again depends on each category and product. You used to only be able to shop at Target stores until they made an affiliate program possible. It's real easy to sign up and get approved for programs like this. I like to put my eggs in all the different baskets. I never put them in one basket. I used to just be in the Amazon, and then I spread out. So I like to be in these top 3 and others. Because if you lose something in one of these, then you're dead. You don't have anything left. So, and things change all the time. So it's good to diversify. Target is a pretty good retailer for promoting affiliate products as well. Next up is Clickbank. Now, the thing with Clickbank, it's just digital products. It's not like you can buy a physical product on Clickbank. And they do offer a lot of products on Clickbank, digital products in the weight loss, health and fitness, making money, computers, internet. They have a whole ton of products. But you have to know a little bit about Clickbank because some of their products are not that great. Like if the product has a high return percentage, you want to check the gravity numbers. The higher, the better. That's telling you that the product is selling. So those are the two most important numbers in Clickbank that you need to know. You can also ask for review copies of a product, which is going to help you in the beginning. But you have to ask in order to get them. And it's easier once your website is established. Mine's been around for 3.5 years, so I don't have an issue with that. The commission rates with Clickbank, that's the one really good thing about them. Their commission rates can be as high as 50%. So if you've got a $50 product, your commission rate is 25%, which is excellent. Next up is eBay. Everybody knows about eBay. I personally don't deal with eBay. I know a lot of people do. Again, the commission rates are 50 to 70%, and I'll explain that in a second. Because as high as that sounds, that's not really what you would get. Cookie duration is 24 hours. eBay has been around. Their payout system is, a little bit different. You don't get paid just a specific commission based on what a product costs like other programs do. How that works is eBay, once they receive the revenue from their sellers, and that's all said and done, then you're compensated at a rate that falls between 50 and 70%. But here's the thing. eBay charges a 10% fee when the auction is successful. What you get paid is 50 to 70% of the fees that is collected by eBay. So not to confuse the percentage that the particular buyer spends as opposed to the fees collected. So in this particular case, this example, you would receive 5 to 7% of the total sale. Next up is one of my favorites, Sharesale. I have a lot of affiliate programs on Sharesale. Sharesale you have to sign up for. It's a one-time deal where you have to sign up, give away your information. But they're a huge platform with almost 4,000 affiliate programs under 40 different specific categories. And here's a list of some of the successful name brands. And every program is different as far as cookie durations and commission rates. So it's not just one flat number across the board. The only thing with Sharesale is as you go to apply to promote an individual program, you have to get approved for that individual program by the vendor. But you can work with an affiliate manager who will help you with that. So it's not really that big a deal. And last but certainly not least, Wealthy Affiliate. I don't know what I can say about Wealthy Affiliate. I searched the world over for an opportunity that like Wealthy Affiliate offers. You can run a full affiliate marketing business. It doesn't matter what your level of expertise is. When I started out, I had no experience. And this is a company where their training and support is the absolute best. And if you're looking to become successful as an affiliate marketer, this is the place to be. The training, the community, I just can't say anything negative about this company. The average cookie on any affiliate program is about 30 days. Wealthy Affiliate, lifetime. So let me put it this way. If the person you're referred to in the link doesn't sign up and they come back 30, 60, 90 days a year, cookie is still good and you'll get credit for the commission. It's just an amazing place to become an affiliate marketer. The support and training, like I said, is second to none. I almost passed up this opportunity, and I'm sure glad I didn't. I stuck with it. It is hard work, but you are building a business, and they provide all the tools for you. to help you be successful. So, are you ready to get into the world of affiliate marketing? This is the place. These are the 7 best programs out there that I believe today that I just gave you. The last 2, Sharesale and Wealthy Affiliate, are my favorites. Wealthy Affiliate, as far as I'm concerned, is number 1. Click on my number 1 recommended method here to find out more about it and see how you can get started in the world of affiliate marketing. And that's about it for now. I would appreciate it if you click the like and share button. And thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.